megalayapost.news.
Nakajin simkhiya ka Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India lengba katanan ka Empowerment of Person with Disabilities naka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment kumbasan spangut kibriu gibadon kajing duna git khatmen barkan tubru giriu temen giblano kata kleyo kajing rap lengba tiar gitar ban pendon kam nak banta kajing den kam jiki kum kita kibriu gibadon giduna ha kat khatmen ya kene program ban sam ye kitiar jing rap sya gibadon dokumen lai trelang ru bat kabor sensar district riboy ha ka bala tibru ya kene program kum kata ka samejing adhi karita civil bala pelong ha block integrated development complex ka umling si ala di block kane ke program kerpang gede ke program bala pelong ha kinyuk santli ki jaka ha ki district baper kari mar ba hikmat kerpang baneram na gumta ki jingdon kam jong kito gi baduna dokumen bat kiru temen menteri sarkar di page ya katanan community and rural development bat badairu umle ke jarang uba sesutun ulwan bensin benta kum upung sam harengkat ke jingdon lang ka kongrona kembej MBC kenopo deputy commissioner Geriboy wabilaji barnwal BDO ka umling sian reblok uba Eric Har project director ka di RDA uraja rama lember ki gi officer bat kito gi badon di donar men berkiru temen
Mano bantin iyan magkikilan Hanggang dating yatrekan Inang yalang tami Lalaban tong yani Pagtungkis ilaliti Senior citizens are being served by providing aids and assistive devices free of cost under various schemes of Government of India. One of the flagship scheme is ADP scheme, that is called Assistance to Disabled Person. Another one is Rashtriya Vayashri Yojana, that we call RVY. Third one is for students, Divyang students who are going to school for their welfare, for their support. There is a Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan which is being implemented across the India with the help of the state government. Then apart from the beneficiaries who are left out, we are serving through CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. So we are more than 50 plus PSUs. You name anyone, Airport Authority, BEL, BHEL, BIL, anything, HAL. So they are giving their CSR fund to us for providing aids and assistive devices. Alimco is working under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and registered under Section 8 of Companies Act 2013 that says not for profit motive. So Alimco's motive is not earning profit. Its motive is to serve the Divyangjan and senior citizens. We are working in line with the Honorable Prime Minister's statement, his vision, that is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas. The government's top priority is Northeast, and as Northeast the top priority, as earlier Anchor was telling that we have already 10 Pradhan Mantri Divyasha Kendra across all the Northeast states, and in Meghalaya, we have one office at CRC Shillong.
At the very outset, I would like to pay my gratitude and convey my sincere thanks to Alimco as an organization for choosing Ribhoi as one of the 75 venues for the auspicious day and this auspicious program. Today, as Shri Anupam ji has already informed that such a program is being organized in 74 other districts, So it's a proud moment for Ribhoi that we are part of that 75 districts where this program is being hosted today collectively. So thank you Alimco for that. Simultaneously, but more than that, thank you Alimco for being so active in ensuring that the people with disabilities get their adequate support. They have conducted thorough assessments across the district. More than 2,000 beneficiaries have been identified, out of which almost 500 beneficiaries will be getting their aids and appliances today. And although it is being entirely funded by the Government of India, but Alimco as an organization is doing excellent work in taking the vision of the Government of India and Government of Meghalaya forward. So thank you. As Deputy Commissioner of the district, I convey my sincere thanks to you. Simultaneously, I thank the dignitaries, especially the Chief Guest for today, that despite his punishing schedule, he has agreed to grace today's occasion as a Chief Guest. I request Alimco that they should continue such assessment camps and they should saturate the district so that anyone who is eligible for aids and appliances and has a disability card does not go unserved, and ensure that they have the right for a dignified living is adequately respected and honored.
Kiba ladang ambagla, mendai dang ya kiba don jingduna hagi do kotmet jungi, ane kita di disabled person, ane kandai ro na kabanta di senior citizen, ane ya ki longpa ki longmi, ya ki nong shong jungi kiba lakam san hakatamo, kiba don kam ya ki negitia, bangkam pensuk ya ki hagalet kawan. Ngadang yo banyak songkai haswa basdang ke program diwan bikong yo yang ngaruh kin ai konkret ya kan ke suki tamba yo tiap nang ne ban pendon kam dengan karai we bala yo ya kamar di we bala yo ya tiap ban pendon kam tesu nang di ka kaneka wheelchair dan kaneka ya kebagian ai pi la pila yo ban le ra yen pinsanang ban pendon kam ya ka ban ngasno ya kapan ai ka burong ngaseo ban ai ka cinyaro ya kaneka Alimco kaba de ka nodal agency kabala pempiat pempiang kabala no subha syabaro ki nong shong ki jongi ki badon kam ya ki de ityar ban kersyang lede ban dangka pensuk ya kade kawan ke jompi na ai kublei ru ya ki mayos madur pila ai ya kacing ruai kabas no tenak pedeng lang jungi baro ba pila juwai ru akapor ko bangalik alani ngawan na kabanta ka election campaign na po snong jopi po olong kublei sibon ya pi mayos ngin dapat ya kador kadar ka jopi pirwai no rengkap ka jingbong yo ikmat tenrei ka jinglong well qualified ka jopi pikiran bat ka kasi pikiran bat ka pareng ngaseo bapim don chu ka jintunan re ya di ba pilong perfect pilong piang na dong syadong na kaliang ka jonga na seo ban congratulate ya pim mayos pidong ni kasam ka bakang pamit ka ba ublay ula ay pirin kan pat ka jinstan ka jinnan na ay kublay lang ya baro kibalaya don benda. I give my special thanks to all people who have contributed for our disability person. Nagabenta dito kibalaya no senyang kibalaya don bentalang katki kemuan katki kedian kejopi banya don bentalang nagabenta ban contribute banya no senyang lang nagabenta kinong shong kijomi kibadon kajintuna hagi benta kibaper ban nakentupa sai sisien ya pilang baro ki paralo nong shong kamtang kibahak ako ka unin blog ke jongi hanne mo bapin siya ya kakabu bapin siya ya kala lemba ka Government of India kabala perkat depan kabala penmang depan ya kene ke skin na kabenta ka jongi kibadon ya ki jintuna hati department ki jongi pinom dei ban long bat snow marway pin dei ban snow bapi duna pin dei ban snow duna bapi bapi kerdu tenrei ka Government of India lemba ka office jong deputy commissioner bat kani ka block ka jongi hamne
kani ka program kepala pelong daga district social welfare ringkat bat ka alimpo kani naga benca kunuan ay kita gijinga kumki Syuki kita di wheelchair naga benta di disabled person with disabilities naga kunjuru ya di senior citizens. Ini ke program kalau kapa kejungut hadu kata-kata agaba ka sorkar nadu ka central government adu ka state government idon ya kataka tong naga benta unut ban boy lane ban reach out syabaro i citizens lari kinau song jom dari India bat haka jela kajungi di Brokwe nisumben abang iyo menedonang kum kagani ke program kini sibenta ban ayun sim lari ka encouragement kumayong ba key person, able person or person with disabilities. Ngire ki brio, ngire ki jintao ki jong play, ngiron hakaju kabenta. Agaba ngidan kami respect banyak purom makelnya ke sorkar ke persangka bala kumno banle bha kumno banyerap naga benca ke jingdan kam ke jongpi paro dia agak dikasih kamera dia kodong tang kata kejing sam ya gini ki wheelchair lari ki jingdan kam na kebenta jomhi kita ki bedon ye kejing duna agi di kornet lari kita ki senior citizens kene kadairu shibenta ban belok lari bantai ya kari kejungi
Meghalaya Post.news